there, thanks for joining me to color. Today I'm going to be working on this all dressed up stamps image called Little Treasure. I'm going to be watercoloring today, so I'm going to go ahead and use a piece of graphite paper to transfer my image onto my Arches 140-pound watercolor cold press paper. And you want to make sure when you use the graphite paper that you put the black or shiny side down so that it does make the image on, or mark the little marks onto the paper, because I accidentally did it the other way and of course there was nothing there. So make sure that you have the paper going the right direction. Then I'm going to go ahead and just tape my image down with some painter's tape onto a clipboard, because I'm going to get it pretty wet and I don't want it to be all warped and buckled, and this will help it not do that. I'm also going to use my eraser here to just lightly go over the pencil lines or the graphite lines and kind of erase them a little bit. It will not erase them all the way, but it kind of lightened them just a little bit so it wasn't quite so harsh. I'm also going to be using the Prima Marketing Complexions palette today to color most of the image, but I'm going to also use the Jane Davenport's Glitz Sea palette to color his little shirt there. And I will put a link down in the description box to everything I used in case you would like to go pick something up. They are an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a commission off that. Not much, but just a little bit. Also, before I forget, I went ahead and I dried my image in between every color so it wouldn't bleed to the next color. I did do that. I went ahead and edited that out because it took me an hour to color this little guy up, and I already have sped him up 500 times faster than I actually paint. I do not paint this fast. So I went ahead and edited out all the drying time so that you wouldn't have to sit through that. That took quite a bit of time to do. So that cut off a few minutes there. So anyway, if you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy my coloring today, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
We're sitting here, oh so silent, and you won't dare to speak your mind. I wanna cry, but keep on smiling, trying to be brave when I'm in the dark. Don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't care. catching fire.